What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be working on this S8 broken OLED back glass. Let's get started. We're going to grab our little pry tool, dip it in alcohol, go right underneath. We're changing this back glass because it's broken already, so we're not paying too much attention to it. Once you broke that bottom glue, you get your little thin plastic cord, dip it in alcohol, go right underneath, remove the metal, work your way around to soften that adhesive. Don't go too deep in on this side so you don't mess up the flex for the fingerprint sensor. And some more alcohol. This is 99% alcohol, so it will not affect the phone in any way. Yeah, this usually comes off really easy if it's not broken. You can take it off in one piece. So once we do that, we'll get our little plastic spudger. Disconnect that flex. It's the fingerprint flex. Put that aside. We're going to use it in a bit. Let's go ahead and take all these screws off. These are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about putting them in order. Left one. It's a pretty straightforward, easy repair. You gently pry this off, put it to the side. Let's see if we could just power it off, or it's going to require a code. We didn't get a code for it. It is going to require a code. Turn the screen off. Disconnect that battery. Disconnect the screen. Let's test the new screen before we do anything else. Connect that battery. All right, let's test the touch. We're all good. Let's go ahead and turn the screen off. disconnect the battery, disconnect the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone back on the heat mat, and I'll be right back. All right, we're back, fresh off the heat mat. I'm gonna do the same thing we did with the back. Grab our little pry tool, go in underneath after we dipped it in alcohol. This is already a broken OLED, so we don't care about saving it. It's gotta look ugly before it looks pretty. Of course, it's going to come out in pieces because it's on video right now. Alright, let's throw that aside. Let's get rid of all this old stuff. I'm going to put new ones. We're going to get our Keon Lee brush. This is the best brush I've ever bought. I thought the price was kind of steep on it for 25 bucks, but worth every penny. Give it a little blow. I'm going to prep the surface for new adhesive and clean it with alcohol. We want it to stick good and not come out. This new screen not come off or lift or anything. That's that. Perfect. You're gonna go ahead and line that up. Perfect. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and put the top piece, line it up. Beautiful. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and put the bottom. If your screen does not come with these tapes, no big deal. You can always use Tesa tape, the black one. Alright, once that's done, we're going to grab our B7000 glue. Very lightly just go around. Careful around the camera area and the earpiece speaker. You don't want to block that off. Very light layer on the edges. That way the screen will never come off on its own. Okay, that's that. Now we're going to grab our screen. First thing we're going to do is put the flex in. Okay, screen is in. Let's go ahead and connect it. Connect the battery. Grab our little wireless charger coil. And go ahead and put our screws back in. Again, these screws are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about putting them in order. You won't damage anything. That screw didn't need to be taken off this one, but it's me every time. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put more B7000 on the edge for the back glass. This one's getting a new back glass, so we're going to transfer over the fingerprint sensor. Gotta remember to take that piece of glass off from there. Okay, put that aside for now. We're going to pop off our fingerprint sensor. We're going to go ahead and connect it. Put it into place. Get our new back glass. That in place. Line it up. Put it in place, make sure it's nice and flush. Grab our clips. You get these clips at Harbor Freight. They're the cheapest I've found. Some people sell these for $1, where you could get the whole canister for $4 at Harbor Freight. Swipe to unlock. Touch is still good. We're good. That's it. Job is done. Please like and subscribe for more videos.